A major wildfire erupted on the 2nd of July, 2025, in the region of Ierapetra, on the southern coast of Crete, Greece's largest island. The fire started near the villages of Ferma, Ashlia, and Ierapetra, spreading rapidly due to hot, dry weather and strong northerly winds. Gusts reached up to 75 kilometers per hour, Beaufort scale 9, creating ideal conditions for a fast-moving blaze. The fire quickly consumed scrubland, pine forests, olive groves, and farmland, crossing several kilometers within hours. Flames threatened coastal hotels, homes, and infrastructure, prompting the authorities to declare a red alert. Over 270 firefighters were mobilized, including reinforcements from the mainland. Aerial firefighting units included 8 helicopters and 2 Canadair water bombers. Ground crews faced challenging terrain and limited access due to narrow roads. More than 1,500 people were evacuated by buses, private cars, and boats. Among those evacuated were foreign tourists, hotel workers, elderly residents, and children. At least 20 structures, including homes and guest houses, were destroyed. Greenhouses were scorched, and olive and wine producers reported losing their entire harvests. Tourist resorts near Makri, Gialos, and Kautsoros suspended operations. Emergency shelters were set up in schools and sports halls in Ierapetra and Scythia. The Ministry of Health dispatched medical teams to aid people with burns and smoke inhalation. 10 individuals were hospitalized with minor injuries, while over 40 received first aid on site. Volunteers and local businesses provided essential supplies like water and food. Power outages affected more than 3,000 households, and water services were cut off in several towns. The Greek army helped transport supplies and support evacuations in mountainous areas. Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis convened a crisis meeting with key ministers and ordered full national deployment. Reinforcements from Thessaloniki and Athens arrived during the night. Drones monitored active fire fronts and helped locate reignition zones. By the 3rd of July, 3 fire fronts remained active, with efforts focused on containment near Galini and Kalo Nero. The Civil Protection Agency issued daily updates and kept southeastern Crete closed to public access. The main regional road between Ierapetra and Scythia was shut down. Tour operators canceled trips to the area, although flights to Heraklion and Chania continued as normal. Some airlines waived rebooking fees, and ferries increased capacity to assist evacuees. Environmental experts warned of severe ecological damage. Endemic species like the Cretan wildcat and Bonelli's eagle may have been impacted. the Ministry of Environment launched an assessment of biodiversity losses. Climate scientists pointed to record June temperatures and reduced rainfall as key factors. Possible human causes include illegal burning and discarded cigarette butts. Police have opened an investigation into the fire's origin. Rescue teams discovered dead livestock and burned farmland, prompting calls for compensation. Local mayors requested emergency funding to begin reconstruction. Economic losses are estimated to exceed 25 million euros. Psychological support teams from the Red Cross and Doctors Without Borders began offering counseling to residents. Community centers set up therapy sessions and social services. Local festivals and events were canceled out of respect and concern for public safety. Support poured in from across Greece, with donations and volunteers arriving daily. Social media campaigns raised awareness under the tag Stand with Crete. Cyprus, France, and Italy offered international assistance. The European Union's Emergency Response Coordination Center prepared additional support. The United Nations expressed concern over increased wildfire risks across the Mediterranean. Scientists call for stronger fire prevention and reforestation efforts. Authorities estimate that firefighting operations may last several more days. Some residents have returned to less affected areas under supervision. Crews are assessing damage alongside insurance teams. This wildfire is considered one of the most destructive on Crete in 2 decades. Schools remain closed, and engineers will inspect all public infrastructure before reopening. The people of Crete, though shaken, remain united and resilient. Many are sharing homes and food with evacuees, while religious groups provide moral support. Firefighting continues around the clock. Residents are urged to remain alert and report fire hazards. Weather forecasts indicate continued dry conditions and moderate winds. The situation remains serious.